people, welcome back to the channel. This is Birdbeak and today we're gonna be reviewing Jamal 999, his first single since the new year and his first song since being out of jail. Let's see how this song goes. If you're familiar with numerology, then you know that 999 is an angel number. According to this post that Jamal made, 999 signifies completion and new beginnings, which is correct. Now let's get into the music.
Dancehall artist Jamal was taken into police.
Hello? You just watch me money, you. God kill me, dog. That's you never know, bro. Chopper done. Yo, Diamond Chris record. God kill me, my you. Golf. Some of you stay and check every bumbuckler and thing, my you. Fully. You just watch me money, you. Tell poverty R.I.P. Believe. Money is all I see. How we live in night chop.
Right away, the man no waste no time. Instant delivery. Splendid performance in the intro. The first line there, chef's kiss. Let's move on.
Chopping up. Me too dance to show ID. Remember we got cash. Fully dance. VSOP for tea. When time me pull up at the car wash. And a 39 me G. When time me dog chip up one Glock.
Dunce man I live the modest lifestyle. The man I make you know say VSOP a theme tea when him pull up at the car wash. Let's move on.
Anthony Pop, move. It was somebody got job. One phone call me G, and me just make a million flat. I'm soon double that. Me want buy one yacht. Rich forever and dance like bat. 3-9.
Man say rich forever and don't like but. And the man say he wants a yacht. And a joke thing, people. You see, man have all him Ballon d'Or on the table, so you know, say this way it come from, you know, people. 3-9 signifies all. Let's move on.
You know about max out credit card, pay that back. Quick skull on the line, we ready for pay tax. No. Canadian goons and food at ear jacks. And a 5.2 go through the ear lock. Put my skull in her, run her monk, she favor. Go for money anywhere else, some country era. And alone Benjamin bust down with Shera. Amount of any and lobster and conch she pay for.
Yo, that flow switch was crazy, bro. Yo, like the man know how to deal with the rhythm and just make it work for him. Him now work for the rhythm, you know, the rhythm a work for him. Alright, let's move on.
Phone collect dial and non-stop. Soon buy Benz, me dog, me non-cap. Grill span teeth and Rolex pan watch. Jill want steel pan stone and some black house. Designer slide with tees and some socks. Me decide me minor leads and broker. So me live pan the line, la vida loca. And when me say game, a fraud no poker.
The man say me live on the line, la vida loca. And if you don't know any Spanish, if you don't know any Espanol, la vida loca means crazy life. Alright, let's get back into the music.
Poverty R.I.P. Yo, give me a walk. Money is all I see, how we live in night chop. Yeah. Me too dance to show ID, remember we got cash. Fully. VSOP for tea, when time me pull up at the car wash. And a 3-9 me G, when time me dog chip up one Glock. Anthony Pop, you know somebody got job. One phone call me G, and me just make a million flat.
If one love the creativity and I love the visuals, the man a cook gold chain in a pot. So you know say I'm money the man them a consume. You see me that a feed them food.
I'm soon double that. Me want buy one yacht. Rich forever and dance like that. Fresh Monday we pull a million a foot. Beard off, clean and ugly and a look. Big food jack down, you smell it a cook. It's a car man moment, me see where this a do. Fat pussy girl, I say she walk up a taboo. Me say done, she say fully, so she show me the tattoo.
Fat pussy girl say she walk up a taboo. Me say done, she say fully, then she show me the tattoo. Yo, the man know how to spin the lyrics, them and make the thing just chop. Remember I'm telling you know people I chop, the man I chop a whole song in a one. Yo, make we get back into the music.
You see the black GLE on it all and it up. Pull up on the pump at 20,000 feet up. Some capers say them chop, me wonder what them a chop up. Online I in a meal, me have the food, them a stack up. The pan the line, I in a jail, me chop a food in a lock up. Them chopper ya nah no name, me tell you no fi look up. Who you think I get the blame when you turn out to be a cruff? Me and you is not the same, me nah no shame, no give a fuck. Me work for where me want, me man, me say no give up. Don't tell me say me can't, me have to rich and it's a must. Tell poverty R.I.P. Money is all I see, how we live in night shop. Yeah.
Tell poverty R.I.P. Money is all I see, cause we living at the chop. Yeah.
Me too done for show ID, remember we got cash. VSOP 50 when time me pull up at the car wash. And a 39 me G when time me dog chip up one Glock. Anthony Pop, move. You know somebody got job. One phone call and me just make a million flat. No man buy one yacht. Rich forever and done like bat.
Rich forever and don't like but. So people, that was Jamal's 999. I'm gonna play out the rest of the song and yeah. Anyways, people, that's it for that part of the video there. But like only there, so see me, you might as well just make me hear my brand new freestyle and try give me a forward on it and make me know if the thing active or if I for pack it up. Anyways, people, see it here. My first song, Bird Beak Frostbox Freestyle. Box, I go mash up the place. Pussy chat to me, bad get a shot in your face. Me a chop from yard, make it chop from states. You a real bad scourge to the human race. If you're this bird beat, then you see your fate. Make dog them your super all gun with your plate. When they pump it, they blast that gun with your face. If you're going like a bad man, I put you in your grave. Jordan, him a madman, to try any day them. No come from Hong Kong, put it back it in a brain. Me a play ping pong, you better you run that church. Go turn Christian, a bell one in your head. If you this man, me a kill you. And your friends, man, no response. My travel with the switches make you sink like quicksand. The clips pan the bomber that a drop you in a pigs, man. My intricacies intricately bad and deadly, skiller than a ballatelli. Every dollar, every penny, eat the color, send it pan the celly or the remit. If you this, they get it, be my flow, me never rent it, make my money, so I spend it from your start. Me I got anything, nobody better lift it down a L. Me I go send him in a cat, me really meant it. Mama dark and full of vengeance, this me then a death sentence. Shut the fuck up in the end when bullets zoom like camera lens. Them a jump over the fence, when no time for recompense. Me have a strap for self-defense. Yo, them boy, you nah no sense, so you flash up and you smell red. Sink roof and drive a Benz, and a car for your bed. Yo, them really nah no head, so no feel bad when them a dead. Ziggy pump them full of lead and send the fool and ground in bed. Vines large up in the head, them softer than a piece of bread. Then you see them spread up on the ground like butter where you spread. Frostbox, I go mash up the place. Pussy chat to me, bad get a shot in your face. Me a chop from yard, make it chop from states. You a real bad scourge to the human race. If you're this bird beat, when you see your fate, make dog them your super all gun with your plate. When they pump it, they blast that gun with your face. If you're going like a bad man, I put you in your grave. We love money like the carrot to the bunny. Yo, a craving here, we bun dog, we no bun sunny. The grab buffy a chippy weed sweet like honey. A gal, I say she love me, I tell her that's funny. So then I turn around and introduce her to my body. The gal, I say they fuck sweet like a little chubby. A pretty dark skin bitch, I love on the body. A bad bitch, I give me slap it up on my cocky. Anyways, people, that's it for the video. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and share the video. It helps us out a bunch and it will cost you literally $0. That being said, Bird Nation, stay sharp.